Hey guys, hope your week is going well. Hope everyone's staying safe, washing their hands, using precautions when you're going out. Today, we are going to continue our look at local government, and we are going to talk about kind of municipal functions. So, basically, meaning uh, the functions that a city carries out. But before we get to that, guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about our government a little bit. I want to wait and see kind of what you think our government is, but I do want to kind of cover some of our city government. So, our mayor obviously is Brian Ellis, and we also have a city council, and that city council consists of Dan Sinistero, Liz Shirk, Seth Nelson, Brett Kendrick, and William Umberger. So those are the members of our city government, guys. You also have Tice McMillan as the city superintendent. And so his role is he plays a big administrative part um, in the running of Johnson. And so, as far as functions go of the city, guys, some of the services that they provide, they maintain the police force, the police department. They maintain fire. They maintain the streets, make sure they're serviceable. Any bridges that you might have, they're going to take care of as well. Make sure those are safe. Recreational facilities, obviously, we know for a town our size, we have great recreational facilities that are maintained by the city and the county as well. And then the schools, they obviously have a part in that. Sewer facilities, water treatment, sanitation, so picking up trash, water, gas, obviously those utilities that you're paying to the city every month, those are all services that are provided by a city, by a municipal um, government. Okay. And so that's what we're really looking at is the basis for a lot of that government, a lot of what they look at is trying to provide those services in the best way possible. Okay, so I know obviously one thing that they've been looking at a lot as of late um, is recycling and maintaining that sanitation situation so we don't get a uh, issue with the landfill. So trying to encourage people to recycle and make sure that happens. So those are some functions of a municipal government. Thanks, guys.